Alright, in this video I'll show you how to create your best-selling book title. So before you create your book title, you first need to understand SEO. In the last video we found profitable keywords we are going to target. In order to rank for those keywords, you need to put the keyword in the title or the subtitle, preferably at the beginning of your title for strongest ranking. So here's a priority. Number one, put the main keyword in the title, preferably at beginning. Number two, put other profitable keywords you found in the subtitle, as long as it fits in naturally, it doesn't sound weird, and if it makes sense. Number three, this is a optional step, but you could put more keywords in the series name if it's relevant and not spammy. Here's a nonfiction example. You can see this book is not using any keywords in the title unless meat athlete cookbook. If it's a profitable keyword, yes, but I doubt it is a profitable keyword. Whole food, plant-based recipes, those are keywords potentially, and it is probably ranking for those. But what is the book really about? It's a vegan cookbook. So if this book really wanted to optimize the title to rank for vegan cookbook, then it would have put vegan cookbook in the title here. Now compare that to this book right here. It is optimizing the title to the keyword vegan cookbook for athletes. And it also included additional sub keywords such as high protein, plant-based diet plan, health, vitality, energy. I mean, I'm sure these are super competitive, but you get my point. They have additional keywords in the subtitle, so it could potentially rank for these keywords as well. Nonfiction example number two. This is with keywords. So this book was showing up as the #1 search results under the search term passive income, because this is exactly what you should be doing. You should be using the keyword preferably in the beginning of the title for maximum ranking. And the book also has freedom and financial independence as a relevant keyword in the subtitle. This is another example without the keyword. So the book is about side hustles, building a business, passive income, but you don't see that in the title or the subtitle. So this book is not optimizing by keywords. So why is that? Famous authors with huge followings, they don't have to play the SEO game. Thus, they don't really need to put keywords in the title because they can make it up with sheer volume of sales. But this means it gives us an advantage in terms of SEO if we optimize our books. So this is a fiction example with keywords. So we got alien Prince Charming, a sci-fi alien fairy tale romance, and then that's the series name, which is Trillion Alien Fairy Tales Book 1. So we have the title. With fiction, this is what they do usually, where the title is just whatever the book is about. It's not really keyword optimized. The subtitle is where they include the keywords. So fiction keywords are usually, the genre names. So we have sci-fi, alien, fairy tale, romance. Those are all keywords, right? And then in the series we have alien fairy tales, so which is already in the subtitle, so you don't need both, but this is a good example of a title that's keyword optimized. These are examples of fiction without keywords. So we have My Teacher Flunked the Planet. Alien could be a keyword, but there's really nothing else, and we have this alien bug hunt. Alright, so other places to enter keywords for more SEO, which would be book description. This is very easy to do because you can repeat title a few times, that's it. You also want to make sure the book description is over 500 words or more, as the Amazon algorithm prefers that for SEO purposes. We'll talk about it more in future videos. Now, editorial and customer reviews. Again, customer reviews, I touched this in previous videos. You can't really control it unless you can tell the customer to mention your book title when writing the review. And if your book title is optimized and has the keywords in, then if they mention the book title, that means they're mentioning the keyword, right? So it does help. Editorial reviews, you can control this because you just set up a author page and you put the editorial review and kind of use whatever review that has the keywords inside. So title structure. So what you want to do is you don't want to just keyword stuff. If you have to choose between having a nice sounding title that makes sense and a title that is just pure keyword stuffing and that doesn't make any sense at all, but there's like 10 keywords in the title, then obviously you're gonna choose a title that makes sense, okay? So the key is to have a good balance between the title sounding nice and also having some good keywords inside. Besides that, what's very important is you want to make sure you understand the pain point of the customer by researching and clearly explain the benefit that act as a solution to that in the subtitle. This is more for nonfiction, but it is extremely important to really understand what the pain point of the customer is, what problem are they trying to solve, and how you can explain that your book is a solution to that problem in your book titles. It is better to clearly tell the benefits rather than a catchy sounding title that is hard to tell what the book is about. And again, have a good balance of keyword optimized and good sounding title. So the title should have the keyword, it should be short and concise. And for the subtitle, you can put more keywords if it fits in naturally. Talk about more benefits or pain points, overcome potential objections. So you can also use numbers. As an example, you can do kickstart your weight loss in 7 days, kickstart your weight loss in 5 minutes a day, 21-day plan to kickstart your weight loss, 7 tips to kickstart your weight loss. You can make a few variations and create a poll in the Facebook group. This is a great way to engage them and get them interested. I will cover this in future lessons, but what I'm talking about is joining Facebook groups in your niche. And this is a great way to engage them. Tell them that you're an author, you're coming out with a book. Get them excited so you can sign them up to a ARC reviewer or advanced review copy team. So this is a great example. As you can see, the title is simply accelerated learning. That is the keyword that this person identified as profitable. So that is the only thing that he put in the title. And if you look at the subtitle, it clearly explains the benefits, which is how to learn fast, improve memory, save your time, and be successful. And at the same time, these are keywords too. So how to learn fast is a keyword, same as improve memory and save your time. Be successful, I don't think anybody's really searching a book using that term, but I can definitely see people searching for a book using how to learn fast in the search results, improve memory, and also save your time. In the series, I can see positive psychology, if that is a thing, being a keyword. So what you want to do is you want to study your competitors. This comes down to everything. It's not just title, it's not just covers, it's with everything. You always want to study the market, what's out there, what's trending, what's working, what type of books are profitable, making money. You want to look at the best-selling books in your keyword and your niche. How are they titling the book? What do you think is making it sell so well? What are the pain points of the customers? What are they looking to solve? We're going to talk about this more in the next video on how to research and create your book outline. It kind of goes tandem with creating your book title because you kind of have to understand the pain point of the customer to create an efficient book title. But for now, analyze your competition, find what's working for them, and implement it in your book. Now, I have a couple resources for you. I'll put the link in the description too. But these, you can definitely use it to get ideas and also learn more about effective book titles. So definitely check that out. Everybody should be at least reading this article. It is very, very helpful. Alright, so for the action steps for now is you want to watch the next video on researching the market and creating book outlines. Come up with multiple title variations and get opinions from your friends, families, ask relevant Facebook groups you're in, see if they like the title, which title they like the best from your variations. And that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.